So what we're showing here is how you can make a smarter building by adding connectivity, wireless sensors and some algorithms over the top. We're all familiar, I guess, with thermostats for controlling temperature in your home and in your office, and with occupancy sensors to turn the lights on and off. But we're trying to go one step beyond that here and figure out what you can do in terms of improving the building's use for the occupants. So what we've got here is a dashboard which shows the floor plan of this building, and within that we're counting how many people there are. So all of the delegates for Innovation Day have been given a Bluetooth Smart Connected badge. So that means we can track individual delegates around the building and know where they are. So we're not interested in actually who's who, but we are interested in how many people are in what zones. Finally, we've got a bunch of distributed temperature sensors and some sensors we've applied to the doors and windows so that we can detect whether they're open or closed. And we're taking all of that input information to understand then how can we more intelligently control the lighting, the heating and the cooling, and the security systems. So for example, when we know there are no people in a particular zone, we can turn the lights off. But equally, we don't have the problem of somebody sitting at their desk having to wave their arms to get the occupancy sensor to turn the lights on. Additionally, with the heating and cooling, if we know that a large number of people have come into a particular space, then we can start cooling that space in advance so it's more comfortable for the occupants rather than waiting for it to overheat. Finally, of course, we can overlay understanding about whether the windows and doors are open. So if the window is open, then we can cut the power for heating, so it becomes more efficient. So all of the sensors we're using here are all using Bluetooth Smart radios. So it's a very low-cost wireless platform which we're connecting together into an intelligent network to collect that data and then pushing out the conclusions for that to the various building services. It's all about how you can make buildings more efficient, more comfortable, more secure for the inhabitants.